guys, I'm MJ and welcome back to my channel Motive and Method. Today, we need to talk about a cookie collab that crumbled under pressure. I know, सब जानते हैं, I'm talking about Kardashian Crumble Cookie Partnership. A launch. For that, everyone was excited, the internet. But eventually, सब confused हो गए और last में disappointed. Listen, no hate, no shade. Just a little sugar and a whole lot of truth. So grab a snack, preferably not one of those cookies, guys. I don't know, I've seen so many videos, and let's dive into the delicious disaster. I know, सब सोच रहे होंगे मैं तो इंडिया में हूँ तो मैंने कब ट्राई किया क्रम्बल कुकीज, बट इंटरनेट पे मैंने उसका इतना क्रेज देखा है, इतने वीडियोस देखे हैं. सो व्हेन क्रम्बल टीज्ड अ कोलैब विद द Kardashians, I mean the Kardashians, people lost it. Say what you want, but their brand power insane, and the crumble, they are already TikTok royalty. I know इंडिया में हम यूज नहीं कर सकते, बट इंस्टाग्राम पे सब दिखता है और सब दिखता है. The promo, I know everybody must have seen it. It's gorgeous. The aesthetic flawless. I mean, we are talking pastel boxes, custom packaging, names like Kim Vanilla Glam and Chloe Protein Par Cookie. It looked like a dream. That is true. And everybody knows there's a granddaughter in the Kardashian family dream. Naturally, fans lined up, online orders sold out, everyone was ready for a bite of Kardashian luxury. But let's see what went wrong from there. So, here where it all started to get messy. Exactly hona hi tha. Everybody was ordering, it was getting sold out. So people got the cookies and the reviews were rough, like very bad, yeah. Like we were talking dry textures, overly sweet frostings and weird flavor combinations. Obviously, सबका taste for cookies is one particular thing and they look for that only. So different kind of flavors they wanted to add, तो होना ही था. देखो, मैं पर्सनली ट्राई करने वाली थी, बट इंडिया में तो अवेलेबल है नहीं. तो where I have seen the videos, people were saying the balance was off. It felt like they were prioritizing the branding over the baking. Obviously, खाने का है, पैकेज कितना भी सुंदर बना लो, अगर अंदर का मटेरियल अच्छा नहीं है तो आई डोंट थिंक सो इट्स गोना वर्क आउट. और some were saying like some flavors were like sugar overload, while other tasted like they were made in a rush. Obviously, सब कोई उनके घर में बेकर तो है नहीं, तो सबके पास रेसिपी होना, परफेक्ट काइंड ऑफ रेसिपी होना was I don't think so था भी. And the prices, oh my god, they were like premium prices and the product didn't quite match. Obviously बात है, इन्होंने अपना name के accordingly prices रख दिए. It's not like you're going, it's cookies guys, you're not buying a perfume, so you have to keep the price like for what others will pay for the cookie, right? What I feel and what reviews में I have seen, people wanted to like them, but जो outcome था, it was just mid. People really wanted it too, but वो पूरा शो फ्लॉप हो गया वहाँ से. And we all know that internet doesn't hold back, especially when it comes to reviews. And videos were flooded with their honest reviews on internet. Like internet went crazy with it. Like people were spitting it out on camera only with full dramatics and making faces, or somebody were puking and whatnot. And ex-users, the Twitter users had been saying these cookie versions are edible versions of false promises, or I just paid, they were of $6 to regret my life choices. It was that bad, There were memes, duets, parodies. It got a little wild, and it's still going wild, guys. But even every breath, the jokes, there were like real conversations happening, and all the celebrity collabs, even what quality, you can't trust when you are having celebrity collabs. You want the best of the quality of everything, and when it goes to this, obviously people are going to be disappointed. So it was all fair and share. हम सब जानते हैं when it comes to promoting anything for Kardashians, whatever they're launching or new businesses and everything, they go crazy on branding it. Like the kind of the whole marketing goes out in the world, not just US, to every part of the world. It's next level crazy. People go crazy, everybody remembers how Kylie Cosmetics was branded, and Kim Kardashian wears fragrances and whatnot, Skims and everything. So now everybody felt a little weird because the whole Kardashian family was silent in this whole fiasco. There were no follow-up posts, no reactions, not even a cheeky story repost for a family that usually controls the narrative. This felt off. Obviously, hona hi tha. It's possible that they didn't expect the backlash, or maybe it was a licensing deal, not a true partnership. Either way, the energy shift was real. Obviously, they are like famous everywhere now. They came to India also for the Mani Weddings episode came out, and the videos were like everywhere. So if there was no reaction or something, so it can be that they were exactly not partnership or partners in that, or maybe licensing deal ho sakti hai, and anything is possible. And personally, I feel collab would have worked if they have put more heart into it, matlab more substance, to be honest. There was like some story behind it, why they are making this kind of cookie and what they like, people would have connected. But they did not put any heart into it, and they were just like, okay, this is my thing, I'm just putting it out. And people don't want to see a name on the cookie, yaar. They really want to have a connection ki why you like it. Some people like chocolatey or something, vanilla, truffle, what not flavors in the world you have, yaar. A memory, like when you eat something, some good dessert somewhere, you remember it and you will always go back to that place to have that. So that connection, that memory has to be there. And it was like more than, people were feeling like this was just a creative partnership for more cash, or for more cash grab, basically what people call it. Like पैसे चाहिए तो हम कुछ भी बना देंगे. People, it was a waste of money, guys, for a lot of people. When they tried it, they were like puking and making faces, or just could not take it down there, could not take it down also. Matlab, it was just bad. And to be real, that's the danger of over commercialized branding. The audience is way too smart now to fall for pretty packaging alone. Exactly what I'm saying. You can't just fall for the packaging. You want to see what's the real substance in it. So what we can learn from this cookie scandal is, firstly, even the biggest brands can flop if the product doesn't match the hype. That's so true, guys. 2, the authenticity matters. A celeb collab has to feel real, not just look good on the Instagram or any social media. And 3, don't mess with the people's snacks, okay? We take that very personally. Yeah, I take my food very personally. If I don't like it, I don't like it. What I've seen is that people love crumble cookies, and the Kardashians are gonna be Kardashians only. So let's hope the next sweet treat collab brings a little more flavor and a little less flop. That is so true, guys. Believe they should stick to what they're doing, and I think they're doing good. That's why they're so famous and earning great. I don't think so they should jump into everything. They should know what is their main pros, and they should work in those directions only, not in everything. So that is all. That is, guys. All right, guys, tell me your thoughts in the comments. Did you try the cookies? Were they cute or just chaos? And if you could collab with Crumble, what flavors would you make? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tap the bell icon, guys, so that you don't miss the next video. Until next time, stay sweet, stay smart, and watch out for those sugary scams. True, guys. And keep showering love on me. And I'll see you soon again with my next video. Bye.